Understanding Pneumatic Actuators, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that bridges the gap between language learning and technology: pneumatic actuators. Whether you're an English language learner with an interest in engineering or just curious about how things work, this video will demystify the term and explain its significance in everyday technology. So, let's get started. To fully understand what a pneumatic actuator is, we need to break down the phrase into two parts: pneumatic and actuator. Pneumatic comes from the Greek word pneumatikos, meaning related to air. In modern usage, it refers to the use of gas or pressurized air to affect some form of mechanical motion. Actuator is a term used in mechanics and engineering to describe a component that moves or controls a mechanism or system. It essentially converts energy into motion. Putting them together, a pneumatic actuator is a device that uses pressurized air to create motion or to control a mechanical system. Understanding how pneumatic actuators work is key to appreciating their importance in various applications. These devices operate on a simple principle. Pressurized air is directed into a chamber, where it creates force against a piston or diaphragm. This force then translates into motion, which can be linear, straight line, or rotary, circular, depending on the design of the actuator. The beauty of pneumatic actuators lies in their simplicity, reliability, and the speed at which they can operate. They don't require complex electronic control systems and can work in harsh environments where electrical components might be at risk. Pneumatic actuators are everywhere around us, playing crucial roles in both industrial and everyday applications. Here are a few examples. In manufacturing, they're used to control conveyor belts, operate robotic arms, and manage automated systems for assembling products. In automotive technology, pneumatic actuators may be found in automation systems, helping with precision tasks like painting or assembly. In consumer products, devices like air-powered soft foam dart guns use a simple form of a pneumatic actuator. Understanding these applications helps learners connect the technical term to real-world uses, making the concept of pneumatic actuators more tangible and relevant. And there you have it. We hope this video has shed light on what pneumatic actuators are and why they're such an integral part of modern machinery and technology. By breaking down the term and exploring its applications, we can see how language learning is not just about words but understanding the ideas and innovations they represent. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights into the English language and its applications. See you in the next video.